There are some times when you're working on cars that you need light really on top of what you got to get out. I had to get a bolt out of this bracket right here. Gas tank mounting tab, all dark even though it's daytime. I'm using Goose-Grip Mechanics Worklight. That's a suction cup, an industrial suction cup with a 9800 milliamp battery. That powers that 12-inch light for 4 hours. This light can pivot at any angle. It can also rotate 360 degrees. You can put this light any which way you want. I'm going to turn it on right now. And like, here's the trailer hitch, here's the bracket. And sometimes you got to put light right on what you need to see, literally a few inches away. And there's no other light, you know, that you can easily place like this. 12 inches, 1200 lumens, 14 millimeters wide, 8 millimeters thick, and it's got its power sources remotely mounted using a suction cup to the rear panel. This is called the Goose-Grip Mechanics Worklight. It has a patent pending on it. It's a very exotic 304 stainless steel swivel right there. That had to be custom made. That ain't off the shelf. That didn't exist. Aircraft grade aluminum mounting block. It's waterproof, IP68 rated. And what's not to like? It's not cheap. It's a $250 light, but it's also lifetime warranty. The only thing that's not lifetime warranty is the battery. That's good for about 300 to 500 charge cycles. But if any part of this light breaks, lifetime, no one component will cost more than 20 bucks for the lifetime of this light. If you have this light 5 years from now and you're still fixing cars and the light stick is ugly or bent, or you break the wire, all you gotta do is show me a picture of it and a receipt, and I'll send you the part for 20 bucks plus the shipping, and you can fix it yourself. Doesn't matter what it is, the gooseneck, the suction cup, or the light stick. 20 bucks. But you can do anything you want with this light. Put it wherever you want. Okay? No other light can do anything like that. It's available at goosegrip.com. There's a couple of other lights there too that you might like. This light is also sold with a second light that can be used when you're working underneath the car on a lift, because when you're on a lift you can't use that suction cup. So there's a second light that uses a massive vice grip that you can attach to anything under the car. So if you're pulling a tranny or doing anything under the car, you'd be able to take that light stick and stick it up in the tunnel. Takes up no room and has a very thin footprint. You'll like it. Goosegrip.com. Please refrain from the negative comments. If you're that guy that doesn't know how to find the good in anything, just keep scrolling. For the real mechanics out there, you must be able to see the benefit that this light would give you in situations where you need to use both hands. I'm using this on the back of a Land Rover, but typically this is attached to the windshield, and the gooseneck goes under the gap and goes into the engine compartment. Now you have an engine compartment light that you can do anything with. And for those jobs on the interior of the car, just attach it to the front windshield, and you could float it right next to the steering column. Attach it to the sunroof. Attach it to the outside body of the car. Attach it anywhere as a flat spot. There's really no rules. Again, you don't like it, you think it's too expensive, just keep scrolling. But innovation costs money. And this has no competition, because there ain't no such thing as a light that can do that anywhere at any price. So this is Kevin speaking on behalf of Goose-Grip Products LLC, and the website is goosegrip.com. Go take a look. Thanks for listening.